Deportation. The Supreme Court blocked the Trump administration's attempt to end the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA program. We'll have more details on the Supreme Court's decision in just a few minutes. But first, we want to check in with WAY 31's Sydney Martin, who's live in Huntsville after she spoke to a recipient about what the decision means to them.
Dan, today I talked to a woman who moved to the United States from Mexico when she was 4 years old. She told me finding out the Supreme Court's decision this morning to not end the DACA program has her relieved for not only herself, but for others in the community.
An emotional roller coaster, a lot of anxiety, fear, anguish, sleepless nights, and then some days where you just feel numb about everything.
Evelyn Rivera told me she's lived in the United States for the past 20 years. She's a DACA recipient and the North Regional Organizer for the Alabama Coalition of Immigrant Justice. She told me the DACA program, which started in 2012, has given her many opportunities.
With DACA, I'm allowed to work. I'm allowed to, if I wanted to continue my education.
The program allows people brought into the United States as children the opportunity to apply for a temporary status that shields them from deportation, but does not provide a path to citizenship. Rivera told me she knows about 24 other dreamers in the area who don't make their status known, but are also relieved by the decision.
They're afraid for people to know that they're dreamers because they're afraid of people threatening them to deport them or to deport their families more than anything. I think the majority of them are more scared for their families than they are for themselves.
Now, the Supreme Court's 5-4 ruling will preserve the program for now. President Trump will now have to go to a lower court with a more robust justification for ending the DACA program. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, WAY 31 News.